Welcome back to TechInsight Daily. Today we're diving into a groundbreaking innovation that's transforming railway maintenance in Japan. Imagine a world where giant humanoid robots are at the forefront of maintaining train lines. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's now a reality. West Japan Railways has unveiled a colossal 40-foot tall humanoid robot that's taking on critical tasks to ensure the safety and efficiency of their railway lines. This incredible machine, developed by Jinki, Ittai, Colorado and Nippon Signal Co., is mounted on a truck and boasts enormous arms and Coke bottle eyes equipped with cameras. The robot's eyes, fitted with high-resolution cameras, allow a human operator to control its powerful limbs and hands from a cockpit on the truck. This innovative approach ensures precision and safety in handling various maintenance tasks. According to Kazuaki Hasegawa, president of Jinki Ittai Co., this technology is set to revolutionize railway maintenance by addressing worker shortages and reducing accidents. The robot can lift and maneuver heavy loads, such as steel pipes and wires, with the finesse and power of a human. By synchronizing their movements with the robot, operators can perform complex tasks that would otherwise be dangerous. This mechanization aims to eliminate workplace accidents caused by electric shocks or falls, creating a safer working environment for everyone. Not only does this technology improve safety, but it also promotes inclusivity. With this robot, people of all genders and ages can contribute to railway maintenance without the risk of injury. The future of railway maintenance is here, and it's not just about keeping trains running smoothly. This giant robot represents a significant advancement in maintenance technology, ensuring reliable and efficient service while addressing the challenges of an aging workforce. Thanks for tuning in to TechInsight Daily. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest tech innovations. See you next time.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.